Today we're going to look at how to configure and use the trAInable chat app in Shopify. Once the app is installed, it will appear down in the app section and be shown as trAInable chat. Begin by going to the settings page. This is where we will begin to bring life to trAInable chat and have it be a representative for your store. Fill in the name of your store as you want it to appear to customers. Give your assistant a name. It can be a real person's name or it can be a character name like Topper. In the communication style section, the brand voice and tone is important as it describes your brand's voice and tone that you want the chat to have as it communicates with customers, whether that be friendly, lighthearted, speak like a cowboy, whichever best represents your store, that can be configured here. The welcome message is the first thing that people will see when they begin a chat with trAInable chat. Your chat can be customized as to the appearance. The header and footer will have these colors, which you can change by moving this slider, and the button that sits on your storefront can be configured here as well. You can change this, and you can change the color as well. It's important to put the support email for customers to reach your store, as sometimes chat will give that if there are no live agents online. If you have Slack, you can configure Team Slack notifications by completing your Slack information in here. The knowledge base is a great way to use specific URL references for chat to learn the information there and convey that when answering questions for your customers. One example for that would be if you have a t-shirt store and you want to have a size guide that is a reference, you can list that size guide here, whether that's on your website or some other website, doesn't matter, and put a good description telling chat what that information represents so it will know when to use that information to answer questions. So there's 5 different URLs that you could use. You don't have to use any, but you can use 5. This document section is really powerful. So in the shipping document, it's a very plain document, and it basically just conveys information about what the shipping policies are for my store. And so you can take that document and just drag it into here, and it will be uploaded and readable by customers not readable by customers, but readable by the trAInable chat to answer customers' questions. So it becomes a very powerful source. And the format of that document is just very plain. You can type it out. There's no structure that's required or anything. It just needs to be a format that the chat can read and understand to be able to answer the questions about your shipping policy or whatever the document is. It could be warranty information. It could be a complete customer service manual. Chat will read these, learn them, and have that information available to answer your customers' questions. Escalation and privacy settings give you much more powerful configuration to be able to determine when items are escalated or brought to the attention of live agents. And privacy settings are things as well that trigger escalation to privacy to live agents as well. So these things are all configurable down in this section. Makes it very powerful and allows that escalation notification to be at your level of comfort with when you want things to be escalated. Maybe very rarely, or it may be anytime a customer has the smallest question that the chat's not comfortable answering, you want that to come to you. So that's all configurable there. Make sure you press Save Settings when you're done, and then go to the staff screen and add a staff member in here. And this is someone that will be able to have chats assigned to them when they're escalated. So in this case, I have Tim as my staff member, and Tim at Topper Outdoors. You can put in his phone number if you want that person to receive SMS messages, and they'll have to opt into that information. And same with their email address. When you put that in, they'll get email verification as well. And you can assign the number of chats that they're able to handle at one time. And yeah, you can just fill that out. Make sure you hit save. When you're done, now that agent is eligible to, or the staff member is eligible to have chats assigned to them. So the last thing that needs to happen to have the chat working on your store is inside of the theme editor. You need to click on Edit Theme and come over on the left-hand side to the very bottom here to the App Embed section. And we want to make sure that the trAInable chat widget is turned on. Here to the right is turned on. So turn that on, click the save in the upper right-hand corner, and then you can exit the theme editor. Once that's done, we can click View Your Online Store. And now, oh yes, the theme editor banner happens to sit right on top of the button. So we want to exit or hide that, whichever you want to do. Just make it go away. Now we can see our chat button and we can click it. That will open. And there we have our welcome message from Topper. So we can type a message back, hello, and Topper will communicate with us. All right. So in this case, we want to demonstrate how to escalate something to a human. I have a privacy concern and would like to speak with a person. We'll see what Topper does. Hey, Topper says, okay, I'll connect you with one of our team members. So now, when we look back at our store and all the notifications went out. So Tim got an email, or if we set up Tim's text number, Tim got a text saying, hey, somebody wants to speak with you on the store. And so Tim can come to this live agent screen, and whether it's on desktop or on mobile, this information is available. And what we'll see is one item in the queue, meaning it's something that has come up or been escalated and not been assigned to anyone yet. So we'll assign this to Tim. That's assigned to Tim. Now Tim's got 2 active sessions, and this one was assigned 0 minutes ago, so we want to view that one because that's the new one. And we see the full chat here. So we scroll up on the screen, we can see the whole chat, and then we can see that it was escalated to a human and that Tim joined the chat. And so I can click, by clicking the greeting, it populates this pre-written greeting. I can send that to a customer, let them know I'm here, ready to chat with them. On the customer screen, they now see live agent connected and that their live agent is Tim, and Tim's ready to talk with them, and they can just interact. So I think that conveys the main features of the trAInable chat app. You can also come to the metrics dashboard and see information about escalated sessions and frequency rate as those things get resolved. And I think that conveys the key elements of the app.